Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bon matin, j'espère que ça va bien. Sorry, I'm a little late this morning. Sorry about that. All right, so welcome people on Zoom, welcome people on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. All right, so welcome to another live trading session. We're gonna get going here. We're gonna take a look at a couple pairs, mainly GJ, gold, GA, GN. And yeah, if you have any suggestion, just send a chart and we're gonna go take a look at it. So hopefully everybody's doing good. Hopefully the sound is good also. Yeah, I was muted, sorry. Donc, so welcome everyone. Donc, bon matin tout le monde. Donc, bienvenue dans une autre session de trading en direct. Donc, ne vous gênez pas si vous avez des questions. Très important, vous pouvez envoyer votre chart aussi en cliquant le bouton de la caméra en haut à droite. So I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer the most questions as possible. So if you have questions, don't be shy. All right, so let's start with our top-down analysis. First of all, let's remove everything in here. All right, so let's remove everything in here. Let's start fresh. Hold on, wait a second. It's not GJ. Okay, here we go. Oh, actually, let me paste that in my Trixie first. So let me paste that in my Trixie. Dun, 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 dun. GJ sell. This was 0809 21. And let's do this. So if you never use Trixie, I highly recommend to journal your chart. It's one of my favorite tool. Actually, where it is? There we go. So you can import your chart. You can take notes. It's perfect. All right, so sounds good. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Accent. Put this banner here. All right. So let's create this one. So yesterday on GJ, I had some wins, I had losses, and a win. GJ. There we go. Perfect. Now let's go back to trading view. All right. Now we can delete everything and start from fresh. I'm always looking on my screen to the right. Here we go. Perfect. All right, let's start with these monthly. And let's remove all this. Perfect. So basically the monthly, I mean, so far it was the overall trend was bullish, right? So now we on a retracement on higher time frame. I take a look at monthly mostly to just have an overall picture, but I'm gonna base my bias more on daily and 4 hour, right? So weekly, I mean, same thing here. We were in a bullish and we are coming down to this retracement down. So far, this weekly candle, we are Thursday, so almost done. We didn't broke previous high. We didn't broke previous low, so it's kind of an undecided yet. Donc, c'est vraiment incertain présentement sur le chart de la semaine. Donc, on a respecté le bas précédent. On a respecté le haut précédent. Donc, à voir. C'est vraiment incertain présentement ce qui va se passer. Si on regarde le chart journalier, on a aussi respecté le haut précédent. Par contre, on a brisé le bas précédent. Donc, il y a des grosses chances pour la chandelle de la journée de continuer vers le bas. So here on this daily candle, we broke previous low, respected previous high. So there's big chance for price to continue down. But if you look now at the structure, so if you look at the structure right now, I mean, we're trying to push up, but we failed on creating a new high. So looks like now we're creating high lows, right? So if you look at this right here, we are, let me grab an arrow here. So we are creating high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. Just here we had this double top, high lows, and boom. Now it looks like we're coming back down. But here is the fact that we didn't create a lower low either, but lower low, lower low, lower low, double bottom, right? So now we got to check like what's gonna happen, but it looks like we're gonna continue down now on this daily time frame, right? So now let's find out on the 4 hour where can we see some selling opportunity. Donc, si on regarde maintenant sur le 4 heures, c'est là qu'on va regarder voir nos opportunités de vente. Let's establish our zones. It's so messy right now on GJ. It's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So this is the, oops, sorry about that. Let's remove this. There we go. So we got our zone there. This is our most recent support here on H4. And if we do break the support on H4, next zone is going to be, we have one right here. And next one's going to be right here. So super choppy, to be honest. Not very clean. But the H4 structure looks pretty nice, though. Lower lows, high lows, right? So pretty clean. So if you look at H4, it came down over here. Where is my wick here? Perfect. So you see, golden zone was right here, and we formed resistance ready to come down. Now let's take a look at our next potential sell. Price came down, we created new low. So when price created a new low, we know that price needs to go up, form resistance, to continue down lower. So let's find out where can we get sells. So the last push down was from there to there on the H4. So this is, I'm going to place an orange line right here. And this is going to be our safety net on the fib level. And this is our golden zone. Perfect. Let's remove all this. And let's go now take a look on the lower time frame. Donc, ça maintenant, c'est notre golden zone en 4 heures. La ligne orange, c'est notre net de sécurité. Donc, pour le FIB. Donc, jusqu'à maintenant, on bâtit des bas plus bas, des hauts plus bas. Donc, maintenant, on attend juste de former une résistance ici pour pouvoir continuer plus bas. Donc, maintenant, regardons sur le time frame en 1 heure, voir nos opportunités. So now, if you look at H1, we are forming resistance at previous resistance right here. Let's put a zone right here. Perfect. So we are right at this zone forming resistance. So if we do close a nice, what time is it now? Oh yeah, in 3 minutes. If it's this closing like this nicely, not engulfing, I'm gonna wait for extra confirmation. So I'm going to wait for dogtail setup. So I'm going to wait for price to wick up. And once we're going to be breaking the low on H1, this is where probably you're going to see an opportunity to continue down. Looking at 30-minute, we had this resistance form right here. This is a doji candle, write-off candle. So if I push this one beside this one, there's is my resistance. So you can enter also on 30-minute. After dogtail setup right here, the break of the low. But right now, I'm just going to wait for the close of the 1 hour.
Sasha, I entered on the close. Is that too risky?
It's not too risky. I was just not looking at the chart, but with a smaller body candle, not.
Just and I try, it shows my entry.
Yeah, you just want an extra confirmation, right? So basically, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I entered on the wick up of that new 30, and it's been moving really slow.
Yeah, well, it's still very early in the session, right? That's why. So there's not a lot of volume right now. Let me see here. How big of a stop? So the stop would be around 14 pips. Okay.
We're about to get that nice 1 hour bearish close, though, so I think that'll help.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to wait before looking at the other chart. Let's see some comments before we move ahead. All right, so good morning, Imanchu. Good morning, GK. Salut, Sacha. Salut, bon matin, Théo. Bon matin. Bonjour, Yuva. J'espère que ça va bien. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Jaden. All right. Perfect. So let's see if we can wake up, create that top wick first. And when we're going to be breaking the low, this is where I'm going to be entering.
Keep in mind, we're right above that 750 QB.
Yeah. Yeah, we got how many pips here? Yeah, very close to this 750 QP that yesterday gave us a lot of problem.
That's where I got my auto break even.
You are on the auto break even right now?
I got it at the QP, so when we hit that,
okay.
I must stop the break even.
No, that's smart. In the meantime, let's put some music. All right. You see, with the dogtail setup, the good thing is, man, you don't stress when it's wicking up, right? Because I mean, I'm not in the trade yet because I'm waiting to break the low. And when you learn how candle prints, you know that the first half usually goes against you, right? And after that, it's going to start moving into your direction. All right, is the music too loud on YouTube? Just let me know. Hey guys, as you come in also on YouTube, make sure you smash that like button. So while this candle prints, maybe we can go take a look at GA very quickly. Gold. Let's start with gold actually. Um, Let me pause the music when we do the top-down analysis. All right, so this is gold. Let's see here. All right, let's take a look at the daily. So basically, daily right now is bullish as we speak. We didn't broke previous high, respected previous low also, but this major, we can call it major QP also, the 1800 level, very strong, very, very, very strong. So this is where I place a line there, just to keep that in mind. So right now, I mean, we are right at this daily support, right? So we respected this daily support, now trying to push up. So we're still creating, we didn't broke that structure. If this would have break under this, I mean, for sure we're coming down. But right now we're still on that retracement. So we might look for sells. So let's see here. Donc, ce que je regardais dans le fond sur le chart journalier, c'est qu'on a formé un support exactement au support précédent. Peut-être une petite affaire en dessous, là, mais c'est très respectable. Donc, présentement, on dirait qu'on devrait retracer vers le haut, mais on est encore sur un retracement bearish. Donc, ça pourrait être quand même le point tournant là, pour continuer vers le haut. So, this can also be like tomorrow, the push up, right, to go retest this high. So we'll see. Now let's take a look at 4 hours. All right, so 4 hours right here. You know what? Let me do something right here. Because I don't know, this is the first time I'm using Chrome with TradingView. Let me open up Safari chart. The quality is the same. Okay, perfect. Okay. Anyways. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's do ourselves on 4 hours. Perfect. So we got this resistance right here. So let's establish our zone. So this is my safety net. And this is our H4 golden zone. There we go. Now let's go take a look at a lower time frame. Yeah, so what I want to see resistance form in this area so we can retest this low, and we got clean traffic. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. This 30-minute broke the low, but wicked up right after. And small body candle. This is probably like a doji. Yeah, this is a doji on H1. So right off candles. So I'm gonna wait for something solid like engulfing candle, something very nice. Maybe wait for the next H1. We'll see, or something very big on 15-minute, like very very nice um resistance form. So let's see. Or if this 15-minute, if it doesn't break the high right here, which is like right at it, and start retracing, I'll forget it. No, it just broke the high. So anyways, all right, so let's wait for that. Let's wait. All right, so next pair, let's go take a look at GA. GA, baby. Oh yeah, GA, man, I have a new rule. So I realized yesterday that GA, I'm going to be waiting for the H1 most of the time. Sorry about that. So yeah, so for GA, I'm going to be looking at H1 most of the time. Lately, I got a couple fake outs on 30-minute. So yeah, I'm going to stick with the H1 on GA. Because when I trade the 1 hour on GA, most of the time it turns out into a win, right? So I'm gonna keep that in mind. So now looking at this monthly, we did retrace down all the way down now, rejecting it. So this monthly is about to flip bullish. On the weekly, we are establishing support as we speak. So we'll see how this close. But we didn't broke previous low, respected previous high so far. But we are looking bullish right now, and there's only one day, I mean today and tomorrow, left into this weekly candle. Donc sur le chart de la semaine, si on regarde, présentement, on est à la hausse. On n'a pas brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent jusqu'à maintenant, mais il reste seulement 2 jours dans cette chandelle. Et on dirait qu'on est en train d'établir un support à ce niveau-ci. Maintenant, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent. On avait formé un support sur le journalier à un support précédent ici à gauche. Et oui, on a formé un support avec une chandelle qui enveloppe l'autre. Donc, des grosses probabilités pour venir retester ce niveau-ci ici. Donc, if you look at GA right now, I mean, we did form support on the daily time frame, and now this candle for today broke previous high, respected previous low. So big chance for price to continue up and go retest this previous resistance right here at 88,500, right? So now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So we had this double bottom right here. We broke the neckline, and this was a pretty good confirmation for continuation. So now let's establish our zone. So we have this support right here. So let's change that for this. This was the resistance that got just broken. All right. And this is the next area we're going to be looking at. And this next one. All right. Perfect. So now look, price is creating a new high. So we're going to wait for resistance to form. So this is perfect. Let's adjust the zone here on H1. So we got a break. You see this resistance right here? We got a break, retest, and bam, it went up. We broke above this major QP. So nice entry can be at the break of the high right here. It was right at previous H1 resistance. So now if you look at, I mean, this fib isn't valid yet because, I mean, this candle didn't close bearish yet. But if we want to continue up, I want to see a support form around this area. All right. So I want support form around this area to continue up, right? So I want to see something to come here, form support, go retest this high and create a new high after. Perfect. So here's the plan for GA. All right, let's put some music and let's see if we have any question. All right. All right, we got a chart here from Malik. Let's see. So we got rejection of H4 resistance, entry on the close, SL 9 pips, engulfing 30-minute candle, close respecting, engulfing 30-minute candle, close respecting previous high. Yeah, the problem is this doji, I don't really consider that one as a candle, so it was a smaller body candle. Yeah, I mean, everything, it's good. It's good, to be honest. But at this time, you know, there's low volume, right? So, and the reason why I did wait is this is a small wick, right? So, the difference for me entering at the opening of the candle and at the break of the low is like 1.1 pip or 1.3 pips. So for 1.3 pips, I'm willing to wait for better confirmation, right? If the wick was like, I don't know, 6-7 pips, I would probably be like entering at the opening of the candle. This music is loud, eh? I feel like I'm yelling. All right, let's see comments here. Check GJ. Oh, we just did.
On that trade to money trust, would you like close half on the break of the previous 30-minute high?
Oh, on the break, yeah, right here, yes. This is, if you are in the trade, this is where you want to exit your trade, right? Because it did enter on based on the 30-minute. I mean, based on that 30-minute, we just broke previous high, so it doesn't make sense. So are we gonna form a double top here on 30-minute? Maybe. All right, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in, guys, on YouTube. Yeah, man, YouTube, you guys are quiet this morning. What's up with that? No question, no charts. What's going on, man? People are slacking off. Man, I gotta prepare for the interview, man. This is what I need to do. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. I'm gonna record an interview with Cam at Trading Nut tonight. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. But where's that list of questions? Where did I put it? Oh, here. Where is all those questions? Oh, right here. Find it. Find it. There we go. Perfect. All right, now this H1 is retracing down. So now if this H1 broke the low, I'm going to be able to place stop above the active candle and take the entry on the break of the low. This should give some fuel on this next candle to continue down. And what time is it? 7:20. Perfect. Yeah, as I said, always around like the first half of the candle is gonna go against you, and after that's gonna start moving your way. On average, how many trades do you take a week? Average, I would say trade or trade ideas. It's two different things. Because sometimes I'm gonna, let's say I have a loss on a trade idea that I had, and I give it a second chance. There's some people who's gonna count that as two trades. I will definitely count that as one trade idea. So most of the time I will trade one or two trade idea per session. So per week, probably anything between 5 and 10, I guess. Yeah. Well, yesterday destroyed that average. uh, Richard, waiting for a good pullback? Yes, exactly. Hello, taking any trade yet? I took a managed small loss this morning. Hey, George, no trade yet. Now just waiting on GJ to retrace and break the low. This is for GJ. Gold, I'm waiting for resistance to be formed if we respect this safety net, which is the orange line right here. So we'll see. GA, looking for support to be formed in this area. But again, this fib will not be valid if this H1 closed bullish, right? So, but if it does close bearish, this fib is going to be valid. And GN, I look at it mostly for swing, but right now it's stuck in a range. So, I mean, there's nothing there. Hey, Brian. Hey, Frank. Bon matin. Hey guys, my trade from earlier, I didn't catch London Open, but when I got back to charts, I said this minor range and price was coming back with volume. All right, let's take a look at it. This is a freaking nice chart. So good job. Entry as we broke the range. So the only thing missing is the numbers, you know. But except that, man, perfect chart. Entry as we broke range high. Okay, perfect right here. Volume was noticeable coming in. H4 support, double bottom, or even triple bottom. Yeah, you're right. Target is next resistance trade. 16 pips partial taken. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Pretty nice trade here, Brian. Very nice. Yeah, Brian, you forgot the number. Yeah, there's no worries, man. I'm just fucking around with you. All right, so let's see. So what time is it now? We got 4 minutes actually before the close of the 30-minute. And now gold is breaking that safety net. Are we gonna come back and close under or close above? Of course, I'm gonna start looking at buy above 1800. If we do close above 1800, we're gonna have clean traffic to, 1809. So it's gonna be pretty nice. But if we do not break 1800, I'm still looking for resistance to form and retest the low. Look like GA's fib here is going to be non-valid. But hold on, we still have 30 minutes in that 1 hour, so yeah, okay, we're good. And if we do break this zone, I'm going to be looking for break and retest after that, right? So we're looking for price to come over here, break, retest this zone to continue up. Oh, Mr. Black Bull Market, welcome. Have you seen this is beautiful logo right here on top right? So by the way, I decided after the stream I'm gonna buy the software because I really like it. So we're gonna be able to stream in 1080 for next stream. So it's gonna be amazing. In the Black Bull market, get ready because in the question for Trading Nuts interview tonight, I saw there's what is your favorite platform of broker? Man, I'm gonna have to say Black Bull, man. God damn, because they are the best. So yeah. So let's see here. We got some comments on Zoom. It was also a risk as it was an impulse sometime. Okay, so lucky. 1080 will be boss. Yes. Trading not exciting, man. Can't wait. We're gonna troll that YouTube comments. Yeah, damn right. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun. Oh, we got Mr. Marcus Stash here.
Yeah, boy.
What's
Good
up? What's
morning,
up?
guys. Good morning, puppies.
How you doing?
Doing tired.
So we got oh nice. We'll definitely check out. Appreciate it a lot. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. I mean, you guys did an amazing job, man. I wish I can withdraw all that money from my other broker and send it all your way, man. But probably after this year, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Just waiting for my year to finish for taxes purposes, and gonna start withdrawing a big part of it and send it your way. In the meantime, still playing around with my small account. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see here. There's another question here. Why GG have no volume, but in the past we have very good volume? Um, I mean, there's nothing happening right now. I mean, in the past we had Brexit, we had like all kind of stuff. You know, you had the pandemic. There's some crazy volume. You know, so the market was moving a lot. But now these days we got not much going on, so volume is a little lower. But right now it's very early in the session still. I mean, volume's gonna come around like usually 8:30, 9:30. You know, NY open, NYSC open, something like that, right? Yeah, so basically now just waiting, you know, waiting for GJ to do something. Right now, this 30-minute candle just closed. Let's go take a look at it. It closed bullish, engulfing candle. So are we going to create a double top here? I don't know. But we're still respecting this resistance. So still looking for short at this moment. But if we do break 152 major QP, this is where I'm going to be starting to look at buys. And if you look at this structure, I mean, if we respect this high right here and we don't break the structure, I'm still looking for sells, right? Because we are creating lower lows, high lows, you know. And what about GA? In GA, we have a new rule. Only 1 hour candle. Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
Fuck it. So right now I'm waiting for price to come down, form support to retest the high. So we'll see. Or I'm gonna be looking at break and retest of this previous resistance. As for gold, I mean, it's either going to be a break and retest or dogtail setup above 1800, or I'm waiting for price to come down in that area. But now it looks like this one is just like Oh, this 30-minute close right at 1800 once again. No top wick. So we'll see how it goes. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, so someone says controller effect said it's low volume because it's summertime. I don't know if you look at in the window right now outside, but it's no summertime. And if you look at your calendar, it's September, which is Q4, right? So, um, I don't know. Maybe you didn't realize, but it's getting, it's not summertime right now.
Summertime. And listen easy.
I mean, everyone is back to work. You know, in September, people are getting back to school. You know, so I mean, there's no bank. You know, taking vacation right now. You know, just like so. There's low volume because there's nothing to drive the market. So that's the reason.
Because Brexit is done.
Brexit is done. You know, pandemic is pretty much controlled, right? So
Yeah.
Trump is not there anymore. Trump was a major factor. You know.
Bring Trump back.
Yeah, we need Trump back, man. We definitely need Trump back, man. God damn. Yeah, Trump can move the market like in one tweet. It was that Trump indicator, man. This was perfect, man. You check
That was so easy to trade with Trump.
I know. Seriously, man.
Now I actually have to learn how to trade that.
Yeah. Man, every Forex trader must be crying without Trump. Just like, oh fuck, man. Volume is gone. Yeah. How can I join Zoom? You have to be a student. So yeah, so every student can join Zoom. And for any question about the mentorship program, just take a look at this right here. Oh, you cannot see it on Zoom. You only can see it. You can only see it on YouTube. This one. It's the FX Dogs Academy link, or link is in the description, right? You're new, hey man, welcome. So welcome. By the way, we do stream every Tuesday and Thursdays, starting at 6:30 usually. This morning was a little late, sorry. And I do Forex Talk Over Beer on Wednesday and Friday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. This is where I break down my trades, talk about some different stuff. Sometimes there's some juicy gossips, and we're enjoying a good beer all together. So. Fall, yeah, exactly. Yes, we entering fall right now. I mean, it's not fall officially, but we all know it's fall, right? Sleepy Joe is not our friend. Who is Sleepy? Oh, Sleepy Joe, yeah, Joe Biden, yeah. Yeah.
Who that?
Biden is doing enough damage to the U.S. economy. LOL. Ask. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna get into politics, guys.
Nope.
Dude, there's three things I don't want to talk on this stream. Is the C word, politics, religion. Yeah, I think. So I mean, we need to stay away from those subjects, and everything's gonna be chill. Someone says, can we watch Euro NZD for the coming news? Yes, if you send a chart, we're gonna take a look at it, Frank. It will be my pleasure. So by the way, how to send a chart, you just need to click on the camera button here. You click on copy link to the chart. You're gonna erase the first part, and you're only gonna keep the \x to the other backslash. Brian says, nice to see brokers watching and putting time into. You don't see that often. Well done, Sal. Thank you, thank you. Well, thanks to them, for the support. Oh, I missed something here. George, I don't know if you guys in Canada hear about this, but in the UK, we're hearing a lot of rumors that we might have another lockdown in October. Yeah, I know. Most countries talking about it, but here we're doing pretty good. I mean, yes, numbers are increasing, but should be pretty good. Hopefully. Imanchu, Sasha, I have observed you trade few currency pairs only. Why don't you trade other pairs? This is a very good question. This is a very good question, and the reason I think is you need to focus on one or two things. It's like a woman, if you're trying to go after all the women, ain't gonna work, right? You're gonna lose some along the way, man. I'm telling you. But if you're focused on one woman, to understand how she reacts to this stuff, what does she likes, blah blah blah, all those kind of stuff. You're gonna start to know her more, and you're gonna know like what to do when this happened, right? So on a chart, it's the same way. You need to focus on one pair at first. So I've been trading only in strictly GJ for more than a year and a half. Okay, so more than a year and a half, I was strictly focused on GJ. When I was pretty okay with GJ, I said, all right, let me add a backup pair. So GA became my backup pair, and I backtested like for months before starting to trade GA. And recently, I just added gold um, to my list. And gold is when the other one are doing nothing. And gold, I traded a little differently, but I've been calling trades on gold for months before trying to trade it live. Months. And even now, I'm trading gold only with very, 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 very super, 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 super small risk. And the reason why is I want to build my confidence on gold, and I want to still see if there's some stuff that I can adjust, right? So I'm not willing to put money at risk to do stupid stuff, when I'm not sure about it. And GN is fairly new. GN is only for swing trades. I look at it, so. But I took only like one trade on GN, so I wouldn't include it in my pairs yet. But yeah, I will highly recommend, for anyone to focus on one pair and maybe two, but that's it, All right, I'll be right back, guys. Man, j'avais pas vu ton message, je viens juste de l'écouter.
Le gars est en train de chier, il écoute mes enfants.
Ben ouais. Ben non. Je vais sortir la poubelle.
Aujourd'hui, ça passe.
Excellent example to explain, totally understood. Yeah, about the pairs, that's good. In the GJ, if the 1 hour candle break is low, can I expect the price to move downside? Yes. After rejection like this, if it starts breaking the low, it's going to be nice. It's going to be real nice. I don't know if Black Bull is still here, but this message is brought to you by Black Bull Market.
Ils veulent vraiment nous aider, Black Bull, là, qui fait bouger DJ un peu.
Ouais, faudrait qu'ils payent sur le bouton. Hein.
Donc, ils vont faire ça, eux autres, là.
Ben ouais. Gold's about to break that 1800 level. But remember yesterday I got this buy on gold and went straight back to my entry. So now you want to close above because we got one close above here and it was a little fake out and bam, came straight down.
Real quick.
Real quick.
Major card point.
Yeah, boy.
Rip à tous ceux qui ont buy GJ, man. Eee.
What?
Eee.
All right. GJ looking good now. Let's go, GJ. Yeah. And GG's back up. Fuck. Crazy GJ. And look at this rejection on the 1800 level again on gold.
Ah, on attend un FP vendredi, c'est ça?
Hein? Je sais comment on est.
C'était pas à ça de passer, ça, OK?
Attends un peu, je vais aller valider.
Dans le fond, le mois de septembre, il y a un FP à tous les vendredis.
Ah, c'est ça. C'est Freaky September. Yeah, nothing really happening except for the euros. Okay. All right, so this trade idea is going to the drain right now.
Bon, ben, j'ai retenu mes paroles. Tous ceux qui ont pas GG, là, good job. Look down, break the high.
All right, so now this 1 hour is breaking the high of the previous 1 hour, so it looks like a booby trap candle. So the next idea would be to wait for break and retest of this zone.
Can we break above 152 finally?
We did broke above many times, but yeah, never had a proper break and retest though.
Tellement clean, à me prendre GG, là, le wig down, trace, break the high, push.
Ici, tu parles?
Non, ben la chandelle courante, là, tu sais, on a fait un beau wig down.
Ah ouais. Mais tu sais, direct dans. Check cette zone-là ici. Là.
Ouais, ça ne tente pas. Là.
Non, c'est ça.
Surtout même avant 8 ans.
And if people ask, like, why didn't buy after the break of the high here, it's because of this zone right here. Look at this. I mean, look at how many times, we tried to break above that level and then play out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 30-minute candle tried to broke that level and wasn't able to do it. So you want to play the probability on your side, right? So
that's why I entered the sales.
yeah,
I thought it would go down.
yeah, it made sense. It makes totally sense. I was looking at that also. But when you're in a mess like this, right? So, I mean, if you look at this huge rectangle, we're just playing in that range, right? So, I mean, you got to be extra careful. Oh, Jimmy boy, what's up, bro?
Ooh, long time no see.
Respect. Good morning.
Good, le gars, il nous fait souvent ça, il divorce pendant une couple de jours, il
Ah,
revient.
It's a lonely process.
C'est correct, ça.
C'est ça, va-t'en, Chris, bye.
Non, je venais de donner un update. J'ai fini à 2%, asti.
C'est déjà fini?
Pour ton FTMO?
Ouais.
Ah, ouais.
Il me redonne un free trial, mais asti, ça fait chier. J'étais à 8. Comme il me manquait un trade dans le fond. Ben, half of a trade. Puis là, le trade que j'ai pris, j'ai risqué 1%. J'ai perdu. Fait que là, j'étais rendu à 6. Non. J'étais rendu à 7%.
Ouais, 8 moins 1, je fais pas pire 7.
Non, c'est ça.
Pas pire,
Je me demandais pourquoi j'arrivais à. Ça veut dire que j'ai risqué 1,5 en vue. Puis quand il restait, je pense, 3 jours, là, j'ai forcé un trade, évidemment, parce que là, je trouvais pas mon shit sur mes charts. Puis j'ai eu un autre loss, mais là, j'avais risqué 2%. Parce que je me disais, c'est sûr que mon trade ne prendra pas le temps de revenir pendant.
Toutes les ratios, là.
Mettons 2 jours. 2 jours, c'était pas assez pour que mon trade devant mon complet. Fait que j'ai risqué plus. Puis là, je suis tombé à. Fait que j'ai risqué plus que 2% encore. Ça veut dire j'ai risqué 3 je pense, 3-4%. J'avais calculé selon mon TP halfway of my target. Là. Fait que je me suis dit, OK, rendu là, je vais avoir tapé le 10K. Mais je n'ai même pas checké le stop loss parce que je m'en foutais. Soit, même si je finis à 8% ou que je finisse à 2%, ça arrive au moins. Là.
Ouais. C'est que le target, t'as pas de target, c'est tout.
Ouais. Exact. Fait que j'ai fini à 2+%. Puis là, je recommence le free trial. Ça fait chier, mais non. Genre.
Ben yo, t'as quand même fini en positif, là.
Ben, c'est ça. Ça fait chier, mais non. Parce qu'en plus, il y a une grosse erreur que j'ai faite pendant le challenge qui m'a coûté carrément cher, man. Il y a eu une news, c'était quoi? C'était NZT News, je pense, où il y avait les lockdowns.
Okay.
Non, il retournait dans les lockdowns, puis il y a eu une week sur toutes les NZT pairs. Puis moi, j'étais sûr, je pense qu'il y avait 4 paires que je checkais le même setup.
Ouh.
Mais les 4 paires, à cause de la news, sont allés dans le négatif. Puis j'ai oublié de bien corréler genre mon trading.
Mm-hmm.
Mais il faut que tu sois ben trop intelligent pour faire ça.
Ben, en fait,
Oui,
c'est dans mes règles de trading, c'est juste ne jamais prendre plus que 2 trades sur 2 paires corrélées.
Mm-hmm.
Parce que, OK, si j'ai raison 4 fois, mais quand t'as pas raison,
ça fait mal.
Ça fait pas mal plus mal.
Exact. Puis c'est là que ça a fait mal. C'est là que la news m'a pas stop out, mais le flow après ça m'a stop out. C'est ça qui fait chier.
All right, so this 1 hour. Whoops. This 1 hour has 2 minutes left. If this 1 hour close like this fib is valid. So now I'm going to be officially waiting for price to come down in this area to continue up. This is on GA. As for GJ now, I mean, just this thing is just, I don't know. We'll see. We got a minute left. And if we do break above, I'm going to be looking for break and retest of this major QP, which is also a previous resistance area on H1. We got some nice wick to fill or to the upside, but safer buy is going to be above 250, obviously, because, I mean, look at this. This is Wick City here on 4 hours. If you look at H1, it's also messy. But, yeah.
G is actually cleaner than GJ if we look on H1.
Yep.
G is going to continue up. For sure.
Lequel?
Not for sure. GA.
There's
What?
nothing firmate.
Exactly. Not for sure, but I'm in the trade right now. GA.
What the GJ hell?
All right, so GA closed small, doji-ish bearish. So now I want to see price to come down lower here in that area to form support to continue up. And GJ closed with no top wick on H1, closing right above the 152 major QP. So now we got to wait and see. I don't want to take a buy here, especially at this 1 hour has no top wick. And I mean, we are right in this bullshit right here. So I'm going to wait for either a 30-minute break and retest or something like that, you know. Or maybe Dogtail set up around 8:30. I don't know. We'll see. As for gold, gold closed right at, look at this 1 hour. It closed right at this, 1800 key level. 30-minute close small, doji-ish bearish also. Yeah, I think on gold, I'm going to grab a short base on that 15-minute.
Gold looks good for a buy.
Trading gold?
Maybe I'm looking at 15 minutes. Because there's so many fake outs around that 1800 level. I'm going to wait to break the low on the 15-minute to enter. And if not, I'm going to be waiting for a break and retest to go on the upside. But as you see, the previous 3 times that we broke above 1, 2, 3, we didn't have a proper break and retest. It broke and straight back in the zone. So even if you're going up, price needs to come retrace a little bit, based on that 15-minute. So I can take that counter trend trade scalp right into this area. 1796, somewhere around there. It's going to be a quick scalp. Probably not going to marry that trade. And if we have a bullish candle closing above here, engulfing, this is going to be beautiful. This is going to be our break and retest. And I'm going to be able to take some buys. So 2 plans here for gold. But if we do have a break and retest to the upside, though, I mean, after that, we got super major clean traffic to the left. So it's going to be pretty nice. But we have this We might react to this also. So Alex seems like September is no good in August. Yeah, so far it's pretty slow. So far pretty slow, but we had some good moves though. Just again later on in the session.
Je trouvais que le mois d'août, il était quand même actif, là, honnêtement.
Non, il était correct. C'était pas la folie, là, mais c'était correct.
Tout le monde crie que c'est une période qui est crevée à cause des traders qui sont en vacances et tout, mais
Non,
c'est ça, je sais pas.
c'était correct.
J'ai pas vu de différence avec les autres mois.
Je n'ai pas trouvé qu'il y avait beaucoup de volume, mais c'était correct. Hein.
Non, peut-être pas en encher encore.
Mais j'aurais pensé que septembre aurait été plus
Ouais.
mieux que ça. Là. Tu sais, le début d'un nouveau corps. Puis,
Mais si tu check Gold,
ouais, ça.
Daily, check ton Daily, ça.
Oh,
dès que septembre a ouvert, ça a réagi tout de suite
Oh,
à la
ouais.
résistance. Fait que. Ça, c'est peut-être de quoi à faire attention, c'est que septembre, bon, logiquement, là, je mets bien ça entre guillemets, là, les institutionnels tout retournent sur les floors.
Ouais.
Fait les premières résistances, les premiers supports, daily, ça réagit hyper fort.
OK.
Fait que, comme Gold, c'est le meilleur exemple possible. Puis, il y a dessus des mouvements similaires sur JJ.
De ça?
Ouais.
Ok. Ah, si t'es sûr, je te crois.
Si je suis sûr, on peut pas être sûr en trading, mais on peut mettre les probabilités de notre part.
GJ, man, what the hell?
Yeah, GG just.
It was a pretty good buy, finally.
Yep.
Call
Oh, well.
buy.
GA, ouais, c'est ça, je voulais dire. GA, comme Gold, j'ai réagi à le premier support.
I took the entry on gold, but it was a little later than what I wanted. Yeah. Yeah, I got slipped a little bit, so oh well.
It is what it is. King traffic.
All right, let's go.
No, short term, shorts look good.
Check les tankiers, là. Et sacrément.
All right, so, but it's too bad though. I'm like probably like 3 pips lower than what I wanted. So right now I'm running like a little 5 pips. Il quoi?
Rien.
Fais-moi pas peur de même.
Le gars, il est taillé.
I'm looking to take a buy when the market will reach this zone. Et si, ouais.
C'était beau ça?
Ouais.
Il est chaud en plus. Tu sais, avec moi, quand on faire direct en crise, ma ligne, tu sais.
Ben, je vais pas faire une ligne, je vais faire genre une sombre.
Tu sais que je vais l'en faire clean, ma zone, tu sais.
Oh,
Ah,
the market maker.
Hi, sac, hein, ça roule.
Non, d'après moi, ça va descendre en masse. Il y a du volume à venir chercher là-dedans, ici, là. Comme ça, là, ça. Avant de repartir. Si ça va plus haut, c'est sûr que Gold va venir fouiller son nez là-dedans.
Alright, let's go, baby. Yeah, it sucks that entry is a little lower. The entry is at 1797. 1797.76. Yeah, it's lower. I got slipped big time. So my first target is right here at 94. So first target.
La ligne orange, c'est quoi? C'est.
Safety net. So the
Ok.
stop is 1801. Actually, I'm gonna put stop right around here.
Non, for real, la science doit être good parce que t'es raide dans une bonne résistance. Juste avant le. Non, ça hit en fait le 30. Non, pas tout. Ouais, non. C'est bon. Je regarde pour TP à 1.88003. 000 en fait.
1.88000.
Pour moi, c'est un trade qui va rouler comme 3 jours.
Pas le temps d'attendre 3 jours, moi.
4%, c'est 1% par jour. C'est 1.2% par jour.
Fait que tu peux faire la même affaire avec un trade de 10 minutes.
Ouais, ben, moi, je le vois dans le sens que 1% par jour, mais que je risque 1% sur ces 4 journées-là, ça va être splitté en 4.
Ben ouais.
Ben ouais, faut de la putain de patience sale. Des fois, je me ramasse dans mes journées, je me demande en est-ce qu'il va faire. Fait que c'est sûr que.
Fait que j'overtrade.
Non, ben, c'est vraiment overtrading, ça me pogne plus. De toute façon, je me suis trop fait snapper par ça, fait que fuck off.
Christophe says, I didn't know you trade gold. It's new. It's I've been calling trades on gold for months, and I decided to give it a try on live market with a very, 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 very small risk. So just to test the water. FX like Mike, just be careful because the dollar been dropping from intraday high. Intraday high. Okay. So we got a chart here from Jimmy. Forgot about that. So, no? Maybe this one? Oh, there you go. Nice. Good job. Very nice. Brian, you can see when Sasha's in a gold trade, his face definitely becomes a bit more serious, like as in a little a lot more.
I see it, Matt. Oh mon dieu.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Ah, mais il
Mais là, il y avait des montagnes.
Ah, ok.
Il slide l'indicateur.
Ouais, ok.
Mais ouais, check, reviens, Sach, le weekly fib, là, je trouve ça tellement puissant. Là. Ça marche sous. Ben, ça marche mal.
Celle-là?
Ça réagit fort. Là.
Celle-là?
Ouais, si tu dézoomes. Je sais pas pourquoi que l'indicateur est en back gros de même. Là.
Ouais, clique sur le geek, là, t'as pas besoin de mettre dessus.
Ben, il est même pas là d'habitude, c'est ça qui arrive. Il est là pour mes entries. Check le weekly fib, là, ça réagit tellement bien quand tu as, mettons, un swing impulse comme ça. Là, après ça, je trace mon fib d'ici à ici. Puis si le dernier impulse qui est ici n'a pas touché mettons, c'est 38,2%, ben, je vais continuer mon fib de là à là. Puis quand que je fais ça, ça revient dans les fibs, ça réagit hyper fort. Puis là, surtout que c'est le 61,8, ça réagit hyper fort. Mais si GA il y avait retrace jusqu'au 38, excuse, ou un autre level à partir de 2 sur cette clean and post là, j'avais même pas considéré cette fib-là parce que ça avait été comme un nouveau impulse. Mon fib, je l'avais parti d'ici à la place.
Nice.
Comme là, mettons, l'impulse qui est en ce moment, je tracerai un fil de là à là. Puis si ce move-là qui est en train d'arriver en ce moment, retrace jusqu'au minimum 38, puis qu'après ça break les plus bas ici, ben là, je vais être obligé de repartir un fil ici.
À l'envers.
À là. Mais ça, c'est le cas qui m'a sauvé bien des trades de faire ça à cette heure, surtout sur du weekly ou du daily. Là. Parce que quand un fib est comme rendu invalide, c'est quand il y a un retrace sur un des fibs, mettons, à partir de 38 puis qu'il a été break les plus bas. Oh, ben là, go! Come on! Tu prenais pas tes.
Holy, man!
That's good.
Si au moins c'était facile de vraiment.
Ouais.
Trace les candles.
That's it. So look like we're gonna get our break and retest here. So if we do have a bullish candle right here, it's gonna be a nice break and retest, and we're gonna be able to take buys here in gold. So that was the two plan I had. It was either a short counter trend trade and this. Yeah, let me close this in full. So all right.
T'avais pas des trade goals sur 5 minutes?
Ouais, des fois, celui-là, je l'ai pris sur le 15 minutes.
On donne 5, ouais. Tu es prêt à pogner?
Ouais, le 5 était là après cette confirmation-là. C'est là que j'ai rentré, dans le fond.
Ben, le fait, c'est que ça look, c'est encore valide.
Ouais, attends, on s'entend qu'on respecte 1800 là.
Yeah.
Look at this rejection on GJ.
Yeah.
Telling you, man, 152 is fucking annoying.
And what is on the left also.
Telling you, if I see a nice resistance form after this rejection, I'm gonna short this baby.
Short this puppy down.
GG. il joue au ping-pong, c'était septembre.
Ah ouais, man.
Ça. Et boy. Moi, c'était quick, là, mais je vais y aller.
Ouais, man, attention à toi.
Puis avec Jimmy Boy.
Ben ouais, c'était cool, c'était cool.
On va appeler ça de même, les petites vidéos, à un moment donné, on va voir des podcasts, la petite bitch.
Ouais, en passant de
à Jimmy.
en parlant de podcast, j'en fais un à soir avec Trading Nut.
Ah, for real?
Ouais.
Shit. On va t'appeler Satch le Scammer dans pas
Eh ouais, c'est ça.
Pour vrai, je sais même plus ça ressemble à quoi cette chaîne YouTube-là. On dirait qu'il y avait trop de. Ah ouais, ramène ça à l'ordre.
Ouais, c'est ça, exactement.
Ramène ça à l'ordre, style.
C'est ce que je vais faire.
Man, congrats, sérieux, c'est très nice. C'est un step de plus. Passer sur des podcasts, for real.
Ouais, c'est quand même cool, là. Yeah, boy.
Bon, ben, alright, guys.
Alright, take care, man. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash that like button.
Smash.
Anyone have problem with FTMT4 not connecting? Funding count MT4? I don't know. I'm not using it. Look at those 5-minute candle, man.
Great consolidation.
Right here, man. Look at this. Right on the dot, 1800. Crazy shit.
Niaisage.
Mm-hmm. I might give Cole the second attempt here.
Oh.
If the 5-minute close engulfing here, I'm going to give it a second try. Rage. Oh, let's see. Uh-oh. Rage. Oh, Sheriff is coming in. Rages says, come on, man. 29 likes. What's up with that? Yeah, seriously, Sheriff. I need you to, slap those people around, man. I need your help. He's like, WTF is that? And he's a little right there. Run them likes. All right. So let's run the likes up, guys. Come on. Hey, Sasha, after GG breaks 152, where's the next resistance? I mean, you got to take a look at the left, right? So if you break 152, where's your next resistance? Everywhere. Look at this. You got one here. Hold on, wait a second. So you got one here. You got one here. You got one here. You got one here. You got, One here. It's a mess, dude. Above 152, it's a fucking mess. Just like, so that's why safe. Yeah, safer buy is going to be above 250. But you can also do an attempt on a wick failure. But to be honest, if after this huge rejection to the upside, if we close bearish here in 6 minutes, I'm going to short that baby down. All right, so TP1, Ray just says TP1 is 50 likes. So right now we are 9 likes away from TP1. Let's get it. Let's get it. Are you looking for gold buys with news? Right now, I mean, if we still respect 1800, I'm going to look for short. Because look at this, how 1800 has been respected. No, I'm just looking at stops here. Perfect. So I just enter an entry here on gold for short. So let's see. Nice engulfing candle. Respecting. You see how we respected 1800. So, yeah. So this is my second attempt on this trade idea. And this was based on the 15-minute here. This resistance form on 15-minute engulfing candle. I took the entry once we broke the low here. And I closed it when we came close to 1800. So now I'm giving this trade a second chance. And they're already running like 7 pips in profit. So I took that second entry based on the close here of this 5-minute. Let me put stop, not stop, but TP here. Let's put partial TP right around here. Perfect. I'll give you a like if I can get a free hat. Oh, come on, bro. Buy above 1803 at 1795 is my plan. All right, that makes sense. It's good. Yeah. All right, right above this zone right here. Yep. All right, 5 more likes to go for TP1. We are at 45 likes. We need to hit TP1 is 50 likes. Let's do it. So, Ragers, have you increased your risk on gold yet? Not yet. If everything goes good, maybe next week. We'll see. Are you in a GJSL? Oh, shit. Did I miss the entry? No, it's closing in 3 minutes, so I'm waiting.
Non, monsieur.
But yeah, if you do close like this, I'm going to be very interested in that sell. Because as you see, main H4, has a nice bearish structure. So I was mainly looking for sells if we still respect the structure. And right now it's going to be the NY open volume coming in.
Oh.
Let's see how this goes. We got 2 minutes left. And All right, we got 1 minute left. All right, so gold is doing pretty good right now. Running 10 pips, sorry. Yeah, 10 pips.
Fait que ça, c'est 100 pipettes.
Ouais, monsieur.
Moi, le support me gosse, par exemple, sur GG. Là.
C'est quoi tu m'as dit pour GJ?
Le support, ça me gosse.
Ouais.
Hein?
Absolument. Absolument.
Je pense que c'est plus ça mon bias. Moi, je me tire un fil du même.
Check ta structure, par exemple.
Ouais, c'est sûr qu'on est bearish en H4, puis si on a un support en dessous, est-ce qu'on n'a pas de place en 152? Hein?
Non, c'est ça, je te dis, c'est... Puis même en 1 heure, là, tu check.
Tricky spot.
Check ta structure.
Clearly bearish, but we did break that high.
Ouais.
Mais c'est dégueulasse, là, essaie de lire ça comme du monde. Alright. Resistance is formed on 30 minutes.
Yep. Actually, enter that trade.
Ooh. On va t'encourager sur celui-là, man.
And gold is running good right now. 23 pips. Let's go, baby. All right, this is where I'm going to be securing some profits right here. 25. Can we get 25? 25. All right, so did close 50% at 23 pips. Actually, we went to that support here on gold. So we're coming close to this minor support right here. So this, I'm going to be probably exiting in full. I'm just going to see if we can get a last push here. All right. Close in full, 24 pips. Excellent. Nice little win here on gold. So now let's take a look at GJ.
You're running good.
GJ, yeah, I have a late entry, so I'm only 1 pip in profit.
You can speak the stuff?
What? Partials. There we go. Let's go. So do you also see a Fibonacci on GJ? I had one, I deleted it, but yes, on H4. So if you look at H4, so the structure, right? Structure is bearish. H1 is still bearish, right?
Right.
It's so confusing. I mean, don't forget, fibs is only there to give you a hint, you know, not confirm direction. The structure will tell you the direction, right? But it's a tricky area, to be honest, because I mean, 4 hours is mainly bearish, but we did broke this high here, but this 4 hours not closed yet, right? So maybe it's going to retrace all the way down and close right around here and respect structure. It was just a liquidity grab to the upside, maybe, you know. So if you look at H1, yes, we did broke this high, but I would consider the structure broken once we close above this area, above those highs. Price action look like sells, but Fibonacci looks like buy. Trust price action.
But we did close above here.
Yeah. But like I said, I will consider a break of structure in this area because
On higher time.
on a higher time frame. Yeah. Whoa.
We'll see. Let's go, GJ. Do something good. What's up with gold?
Nice trade. Following that plan is key. Love to see that. Thank you. FX like Mike. Fire emoji. Fire.
How gold is going in such a bully.
Yeah, gold played out pretty nicely.
Nice.
So let me put actually this.
Damn, right? Okay. Alright, for me, 8:30 is my time as usual. I have to let you go, guys.
Take care.
That's the boy. Be on the other side, and I'm not gonna be there tomorrow.
All right.
On a little vacation.
Ah ouais, en vacances.
On va à un événement de rallye automobile à Montpellier.
Oh, nice, man. Have fun.
Thank you. It's gonna be fun. So take care, guys, and see you Monday.
Take care.
Bye.
John, morning, Sasha. Did you explain earlier why you took the sell on gold at that point rather than earlier when it also broke those 2 weeks on the downside? I actually got 2 attempts. I got the first attempt that I closed minus, I can't remember how many pips it was. I think it was like 8 pips, something like that. And I took the second attempt. Yes. So the first attempt was based on the 15-minute. So I took it right here at the break of the low of this 15-minute. So that was my first attempt. And I ended up closing somewhere around here, right around 1800. And I took my second attempt based on that 5-minute rejection, 2 candles. All those candles rejected 1800. So I was waiting for something solid. So this nice little 5-minute engulfing candle took the entry on the opening of the candle and write it down to the next support, right? The next minor support. So that's it. $60 likes. Oh, we can get 60 likes, man. We can get 60 likes, man. We got a win on gold, man. What's up with that, man? Come on, let's go. Can you take a look at? Sure. Let's take a look at. All right, so this is, I don't know what? I don't see the pair. What is it? Expect the volume to push the price up if H1 close above. I don't even know what it is. It's probably you took a. I don't get it. It's weird. Oh, 1.87. So I guess this is GA. But yeah, this is not clear. I don't know why. John, I got it. Thank you. You're welcome. I see GG close bullish on 15-minute time frame. I see as break and retest and continuation, and I want to buy. Man, if it's part of your plan, Vincent, do it. Execute, right? I personally don't look at 15 minutes. The only 15-minute time frame I look at is on gold. 15 minutes, I stay away from it on GJ and GA. GA, I'm not taking any more trades based on 30 minutes on GA, just to give you an idea. Will gold tap 1790? Probably. This was my ultimate target was right here, 1788, 89, around there. So should be pretty nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh yeah, it was GA Nuno. Yeah, okay. Yep. I wanted for price to come down here lower, wanted price to come down lower in this zone to push up. But if we do break this area, it's gonna be break and retest above, right? Oh, Brian, you're going away. Okay. Nice. Nice. So Vincent, you sent a chart. Why I do not see the link here? That's weird. I see it here, but I don't see it in the chat. I hate when YouTube does that. But hey, let me try to do this. Link to chart. So it is EUKX 3 YIH. All right. So this is GJ. Oh, 15 minutes. Yeah. Sell the candle because I see two bearish candle close. Oh yeah, but I mean you were way after the move. When you see something like that, I mean the move's already happened. So I mean you gotta wait after that for price to come up, form resistance to take another short. But the movement is already done. So this is some FOMO. You were fearing missing out on this trade, but just wait and chill. Close trade early, full position because broke the high 5-minute candle. If you trade, if I take my trades on 30 minutes, I will wait for that 30 minute to play out. Because you don't want to choke your trade also. But I mean, do you take an entry based on 5 minutes? If yes, you can close partials based on 5 minutes. But if 5 minutes is not a strong enough confirmation for taking an entry, why the fuck are you gonna close partials based on 5 minutes? So if it's not strong enough to take an entry, why you gonna consider that strong enough to close your trade? So this is just, guys, you gotta be careful with this because sometimes you're gonna choke your trade more than often. If you trade 5 minutes, fine. That's not a problem. Yes, you can operate on 5 minute and close partial and close fully. But yeah, so I would cut my trade only if my time frame I took my entry break the previous high or previous low, because this is the good confirmation for price not respecting price action. This is just me, how I do it, but I'm not saying I have the absolute truth, right? $17.89, yeah, FX like Mike, yeah, that was pretty much where I was looking at. I have a loss on gold earlier today, but now in profits. Thank you, Sasha, and thanks to Universe. Oh, thank you, very appreciate. G is clean for dogtail setup. H1, yeah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look pretty good if H1 close above. Yep. All right, 15 minute just close. So it closed like a small doji-ish bearish. But this is the first half of this 30-minute candle. So usually we're going to spend time on the opposite side. And after that, the second half should start coming back your way. So when you understand how candle prints, it's going to release some stress, All right, let me go check something, guys. I'll be right back. All right. What did I miss? Nothing? H4 wick film gold possible? Oh yeah. Very possible. We need this 1 hour to close bearish for continuation to the downside. How was the first week of September for you with trading, Sash? Pretty okay. Got a couple like yesterday was horrible, but ending up in blue after a pretty nice trade on GJ. What happened this September? This month of September, my first attempt, I had a couple losses, but my second attempt or my third attempt always bring that back. So far so good, right? Still in blue by a tiny thing, so not bad. Sorry, guys. So if this 30-minute close above 152, this is where I'm going to be exiting the trade. I sold the low and became the wick because I fear GG will be like how it never formed support and drop 80 pips. Yeah, that's FOMO. Yeah, you need to stay away from that, man. Just stick with your plan. If it drops 80 pips, drop 80 pips. It will drop another 80 pips tomorrow or the day after, next week, and you'll catch the next move. Yeah, you prefer missing move than getting a loss, right? So that's how I see it. So now there's 9 minutes left, and this doesn't look good. This H1 just flipped bullish. This is no good. All right, 57 likes. We're missing 3 likes for 60. Can we do it? Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Oh, what time is it now? All right. 8 to 9. Okay. Man, gold was pretty nice. Pretty nice, my friend. Pretty nice. Actually, you need to post that. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Yeah, I just exited the trade here. I mean, it's closing in 7 minutes, and this doesn't look good at all. It was getting super close to my stop loss, so I decided to close at minus 12. All right. So now, what's next? What's next? Who let the dogs out? Yeah, hopefully YouTube didn't catch that, so I don't get slammed for copyrights. Did you get the new Magic Key yet? No, not yet. But I got a message from Post Canada, Canada Post, that it should be here Monday, I think. We got 60 likes. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Did you get the new? Oh, okay. Answer that. Who let the dogs out and bite Sasha? Yeah. All right, so 4 hour is closing in 5 minutes, and if we do close above 152, it's gonna be a break of structure here. So yeah. So now we're gonna wait for price to probably break and retest on lower time frame, or do a dogtail setup and probably shoot up. But again, this 1 hour needs to stay above 152 for buys to be valid. It's too bad, man. This 1 hour did close with no top wick. 30-minute was closing with a nice rejection to the upside, closing bearish. So this is why I took sell and closing back under 152. Took sell and didn't play out, but usually this kind of setup play out pretty well for me. So I mean, it is what it is. I'm just curious what. Hold on, wait a second. I'm just curious what your broker spread is on gold. Mine is typically around 3 pips. Right now, mine is 1.4, 1 pip, 1.2, 2 pips, 1.1, 1.2, 1.9, 1.6, 1 pip, 0.8, 1.4. So around there. So between 1 and 2 pip. So yeah, black bull market, guys. So let me put this here. Bam. Any updates with the kitchen? Oh yeah. We're getting the backsplash done right now. And we got a temporary sink because the not to sink, but the what's the thing that goes to pour the water? What's the name of that in English? I'm looking for the word. Anyways, so we got a temporary one because the one we order is back order. So yes. So tomorrow night, Forex Talk Over Beer, I'll show you the update. Man, what a gold trade. Pretty nice, my friend. All right, so what time is it? All right, we got 1 minute left. 30 seconds, I mean, sorry. Ah, the faucet. Yeah, exactly. That's what the word I was looking for. All right, 10 seconds. All right, so H1 did close above 152. 30-minute also. 30-minute nice engulfing candle right here above 152. H4 just closed bullish. So yeah, they're pretty nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So this is also kind of a break and retest also of this area. Probably on a lower time frame. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, so if we wick down and start breaking the high of this H1, this is probably where I'm going to change my bias and go for buy on GJ. As for gold, I mean, is still doing his thing, so pretty good. It was a nice little sell. Nice little sell. Now we should go retest this level. 1789. That's GA. G close under the zone. So I want price to come down here in this area. Damn it. So I'm gonna wait. My Wednesday just wasn't the same without FTOB. I see I missed a gold trade in my sleep. Oh man, what's up with that, Mike? Come on. Yeah, yesterday was we went to a comedy show, man. It was fun. Yeah. It was really good. Pour les gens du Québec, on est allé voir Louis-José Hood. C'était hilarant. So, all right, so GJ now coming back down. Oh, 15-minute looks like a double top here. Oh boy, man. If this thing closes back under 152 on H1, I'll cry. I will definitely cry. Oh, look at this thing. Oh man, oh man. Have you seen the Canadian comedian Jeremy Hotz? I enjoy him a lot. No, I didn't. I'm gonna look into it. Man, if you guys know Sugar Sammy, he's here and he do a lot of Anglophone comedy show. He's bilingual and he's the best. You know, he's the best when it comes to impro. This guy is sick, man. His full show is improvisation. It's crazy. He's really, really good. Sugar Sammy. Yeah. Look into him. You're gonna laugh your ass off. I'm telling you. Alright, let me put my dogs outside for a second. I'll be right back. All right. Oh no, I'm. Someone says, "Is Sasha still holding the sell on GG?" No. Rages, I don't need a comedy show. I just have to watch my trading journal from 2018. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I look at my previous trade, I can laugh also. So if we do break the high on the 30-minute after this nice rejection to the downside, dogtail setup. Yep, retesting the major QP. This is where I'm going to be taking that trade, and this is going to be the last trade of the day. And this, we're getting close to the NYST volume also, so we should be able to push up. This wick didn't broke previous low. We got a nice engulfing support here, so yeah, should be good. But again, if this H1 closed bearish under this zone, I mean, buys invalid, right? All right, so just waiting to break that 30-minute high. FX like Mike, let's see your comments here. What do you think about grid trading in the hedge? No clue, man. I don't think anything about it because I don't know it. My buys are in play. Trading your plan is amazing. Yeah, FX like Mike, man. Always trade your plan, man. Always trade your plan. On my end, the plan was only looking at buys above 152, and if we had nice resistance form at 152 to short it. So I executed my first trade idea, ending up in a minus 12 pips, and now looking for the plan B. There we go. Sweet, baby, sweet. G is coming down in that golden zone. Awesome. Awesome. Amazing. Oh, go buy at 17.95. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's good. 17.95 right here. Yep, perfect. Awesome. What happened to the music? GG buys. I want to. Yep. If we break the high, it should be good. All right, guys. So, yeah, I think we're going to close this because usually this is the indicator. When we close the stream, bam, volume pops up. So, let's try that again. All right. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for being here this morning. We're going to be live tomorrow night, Forex Talk Beer. So, that's going to be fun. Make sure you tune in. We're going to break down trades. We're going to answer Q&As. We're going to cover different subjects. So, make sure you tune in. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right. So, thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you, guys. Take care. Thank you, Bill. Thank you. Take care.